I'm gonna film a what I eat in a day video. There's just been a lot of like recipes that I've wanted to make on here, but they're just like kind of tedious to do like a cooking with Betty video and like having to like explain everything and talk about everything, because they're just like super easy and kind of like self-explanatory. So I was like, let me just eat all that food today, and then you guys can just watch what I eat, and then I'll leave the like instructions, the ingredients in the description box below. But we are starting off at lunch because I don't really eat breakfast. Like, I'm not really that hungry at breakfast time, and I was also just like up all morning working on another video, so I just uploaded that video. Go check it out. I don't know if it's cringy, if it's funny, if it's entertaining or what, but I had fun and I got to eat some good snacks, my favorite snacks, so I win either way really. But anyways, yeah, let's just get started.
Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep.
Oh my god, I wanted to show you guys this drink me and my mom started drinking. We mix this fruit energy every day. This is a pomegranate one that I talked about in the grocery haul, and it's like a fruit vinegar, but it's sweet. It tastes really good, and I like to mix it with LaCroix. This is the limoncello flavor, and this with that taste, it tastes like a little bit vanilla-y with like, I don't know, just tastes really good.
Reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night.
It's so good, it just tastes super refreshing.
Reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. You really make me.
Okay guys, so for lunch I made egg souffle, I made mazegohan in inarizushi, which inarizushi is a fried tofu bean curd, and it's sweet. It's really good. I also made tofu and I marinated it in soy sauce, sesame seeds, and then some spicy red pepper, and then green onions. I have kimchi, and then I have salmon. So I'm super excited for this. I'm gonna have the egg souffle first. So good. It's a little bit overcooked, but it's really good. You couldn't taste it. It just looks a little bit overcooked, but it's so good. Just a symptom you forgot. You slip me in your pocket, turn on the television on. Set me in the corner now, and technicolor's your bed. Oh, won't you hear me out? All my features and everything you needed. Don't put me on the shelf, no. I'd never find another. Don't ask me what my name means. I don't believe in that. Conversations one-sided, pull my strings and watch me come apart for you. I don't believe in that. Trouble speaking whenever you're around. All right, so for dinner I have green tea, I have tofu, and then I have some soup that you guys saw me make earlier, and it has radish, boiled eggs, potatoes, and fish cake. Some Sometimes I'll add like carrots and konnyaku, which is like a jelly, like a plant jelly thing that's really good. But I accidentally put it in the freezer, and then when you put it in the freezer, it gets fucked up, so I couldn't eat that, so I'm kind of sad. But then I added some, you know, greens, some reds, just to add some more color to the dish because it was kind of looking bland. My favorite part of this is the radish. So good. Because the radish is like a little bit bitter, but the soup is like kind of sweet. It's like soy sauce, brown sugar, mirin, and tsuyu, and it's super good.
Don't ask me what my name means. I don't believe in that. Conversations will slide, pull the strings and watch me come.
Okay, so you guys, I'm obsessed with Strictly Dumpling, and it was funny because he was just like, guys, don't come for me in the comments about my chopsticks, because he was like, growing up, that's all I ever used. He was like, I only used chopsticks. We didn't have spoons, we didn't have forks, we didn't have knives. All we had was chopsticks. Like, we used to eat soup with chopsticks, and like, it's literally what I'm doing right now. But